Welcome to DJ TV.
My people, greet you now. Welcome now once again to DJ TV. Senator Dino when they run for governor for Kogi State, he don't come outside. He don't come talk so kind thing where they happen for inside Kogi State too. According to what he talk for this one like this, he talk say APC they do satanic manifestation for inside the state to confuse the people of Kogi State. He say your agenda not be for political party. Now to make sure say Kogi State they come as one to vote in the right person wey go work for them. Dino talk a lot of things for this one though. My people, I go play on the video because now I need to see and hear what he talk. Make una watch this video and make una don't forget to like and share am.
How important is this governorship election in Kogi State, and what are the issues that are in the spotlight? I expect there's a long list of concerns.
Basically, I will say it's a very important election for the people of Kogi State because right now we live in perilous times. Kogi State is like an evil forest that needs instantaneous redemption, that needs amelioration, that needs correction, that needs palliation. We need a Messiah because...
and you're the Messiah?
By the grace of God, I'll be instrumental to ameliorating the problems of our state. It's never been this bad in the history of our state. We are first more divided than any other time in our state history. I've never had Igala agenda, Okun agenda, or Igbira agenda. Abubakar Audu became the governor of a state. He campaigned through the instrumentality of his party, ANPP, APP at the time. And he used the party to win elections. Nobody was talking about an Igala agenda. Ibrahim Idris became the governor of the state. There was no Igala agenda. All he preached was PDP. Governor Wada also became governor. There was no Igala agenda. But the APC have completely polarized the state. They've divided us as a people. There is serious disunity in the state. There's now agenda here, agenda there. And by the special grace of God, what we are coming from the PDP to do is first to unite us as a people. And that is why I have as a slogan of my campaign, one Kogi, one destiny. Because we are one people, and by the grace of God, we will remain one united, indivisible people. Then coming back to look at the states from different points of view, you'll find out that in the area of insecurity, Kogi is number one in Nigeria.
Yeah, I'm going to come to that in a minute because we want to sort of get into all of that and get your take on it. But obviously, you're in the thick of the campaign now. How brutal has it been? Will the incumbent APC, looking to hold on to power, and you of the PDP as well, all the other frontline candidates wrestling each other to the ground?
I will start by saying that right now, the satanic manifestation of the APC in Kogi State is unimaginable. It's legendary in our history. And I will tell you for free that their panic button has been activated. They are so afraid. There is policy somersault. There's instantaneous pronouncements that make no sense. For example, a few days ago, the governor woke up and announced the upgrade of over 300 and something traditional rulers. And very, very unpopular decisions out of panic. Different decisions out of panic. Shows that there's a problem somewhere. But one thing I want to assure Kogites is that no matter what the APC is trying to do this time, the PDP will defend our votes.
Right.
We will defend our votes. We will stand by our people. We will also defend our people because we will not allow what happened in 2019 to repeat itself in history. where a woman was burnt alive in our house, where my nephew was shot within the perimeter of my compound and shot dead, where 11 people were murdered on the day of my election, where an helicopter was spraying bullets from the sky on innocent people. We will not allow that to happen again.
I have to say that sounds absolutely horrific and, desperately frightening.
It is.
I mean, there's a lot of talk about violence. I mean, we had someone from the SDP, the chairman of the SDP, sitting where you were sitting a couple of weeks ago, and he was talking about how the candidate of the SDP and his supporters have been regularly attacked. Is the PDP also experiencing that, or are you seen as less of a threat in terms of violence?
The APC generally is all about violence, but the truth of the matter is that they carry out their isolated attacks here and there, but we are waiting for them. We are waiting for them.
When you say waiting for them, that sounds ominous.
We're saying that we have not been physically assaulted or attacked by any of the APC thugs yet, but we are saying that whatever is happening with the other political parties, we do not promote it, but there's no difference between the SDP and the PDP and the APC, because both are from the APC taproots. They were all in the same political party up to a few days ago, or a few weeks ago. So I think it's infighting within APC, and I'm sure it will be sorted.
Well, you said that they've got their thugs. You've got your thugs as well, because you said you were waiting
we don't relate with thugs. We don't relate with thugs. We are not known with thugs. We are decent people. The PDP is a decent party. Dino Melaye is a very decent man. I don't believe in thuggery. I don't believe in violence, but we will defend ourselves.
So would it be fair to say that Kogi State is crackling with tension today as the candidates press on to that election in November?
We're not just cracking with tensions. It has always been part of our life since this government came into power 7 years plus ago. It has always been like that. I survived 4 assassination attempts. I've been, federal government versus Dino Melaye, 12 court cases. I've been attacked severally in the state, so it is not something new. It is in their DNA. It is part of their modus to be violent.
What keeps you coming back?
What keeps me coming back is that I serve a God that never fails. I serve a God who is my deliverer, is my protector, is my sustainer.
Yeah, but you would have to have a very big political ambition, though, to keep coming back.
It is not about the ambition. I have rather a big God who is always there for me. I fear no soul. I always respect souls. I've conquered fear. There's nothing man can do to me, because I have a God who defends me, because he who is with me is greater than he who is with either Yaya Bello or the APC. And I want to tell you that because of my passion for the development of our state, because of my passion for building a new Kogi state, because of the passion of the suffering, civil servants in Kogi state who have not been paid their salaries. Those that have been paid in percentage, 25%. Kogi state is the only state in Nigeria today where a serving permanent secretary goes to the office on Okada, where a level 16 officer is taking 20,000 naira salary or 16,000 naira salary. We cannot allow that to continue. We must come out and defend the people. And what we are doing now is trying to restore, trying to rebuild what has been ruined by the APC.
Well, since you brought
DJ